What's up, guys? I started learning how to solve a Rubik's Cube yesterday, first time in my life, and I was able to do it. And I posted the cube complete online, and some people accused me of just taking it out of the package that way. So I decided, you know what? I'm gonna do it for you, right in your face. So the first thing is I gotta do is create a daisy up top, 4 white petals, yellow middle. Okay, now I gotta bring these matching over, bring this down, making a white cross on the bottom right now. There's a method to this madness. All right, white cross on the bottom. Now I gotta make a white, complete white bottom. So blue and orange stickers are gonna go between blue and orange. I'm doing an algorithm, blue and orange is down there. Red and blue is gonna come over here. Another algorithm. Got that white piece down. Now, this is green and red is on the right side, so we're gonna let that go down. Boom, got that there. There's another white piece over here. Green, orange, boom. Okay, done. Got the white bottom, and these are all lined up on the bottom. All right, so now we're going to do the whole middle section. So red is going to the right. So push it left. Move this over. Okay, got the red section. Now orange and blue. Orange is going left. Take the left hand. Over there. Got that piece in. Orange and green. Got the orange, got the green, got the red, and the blue. All right, got the whole middle section finished. I gotta do a gold cross up top. So the way I do that is turn this to the side and bring this down. Done. Gold cross up top. Now I gotta get all these to match. I gotta get the middles matching. So right now green and red match, everything else doesn't. So it's a different algorithm now. Bring these up, bring them over, move it down, bring it to the side, bring this back up, move it around to the whites, bring it down. Now I gotta move this around, and boom. Now I got all these lines matching. Now I gotta do the corners. So green and red, orange don't match, blue and red don't match, green and red do match. So now I'm gonna do a different algorithm here, where I turn up, no, I'm sorry, I move up, move up, move down, move down. Okay, now, red and green is here. It's still not matching there, I'm gonna do this again. So up, move up, move up, move down. So red and green is over here, blue and red. Yep, blue and orange, green and orange. So that's the right way. Now I'm gonna flip it. I'm gonna solve this bad boy. So let's see, this should take 4 turns. That's 1. So this is gonna take 2 turns. 2. This is gonna take 2 turns. Down with that. And red. This is gonna take 4. There we go. Done.